Making a video for YouTube can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here are the basic steps to creating a video for YouTube. Choose a topic. Decide on a topic that you are passionate about or that you think will be interesting to others. Plan your content. Write a script or an outline for your video. Think about the message you want to convey, the tone of the video, and the visuals you want to use. Gather your equipment. You will need a camera to record the video, a microphone to capture audio, and any other equipment you may need depending on the type of video you are making. If you are using your smartphone, make sure it has a good camera and microphone. Record your video, set up your equipment and start recording your video. Be sure to speak clearly and use good lighting. Edit your video. Use editing software to put together your video. You can trim clips, add music or sound effects, and add text or graphics to enhance your video. Upload to YouTube. Once you have finished editing your video, you can upload it to YouTube. Sign in to your YouTube account, click the upload button, and select your video file. Optimize your video. Add a title, description, and tags to your video to make it easier for people to find. You can also add a thumbnail to make your video more attractive. Share your video. Share your video on social media or your website to help promote it. Remember, making a great video takes time and practice, so don't be discouraged if your first few videos aren't perfect. Keep creating and experimenting until you find your style and your audience.